Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder. Today we're diving into Terra Property Trust's latest filing, and trust me, it's more exciting than watching paint dry. We're going to unearth some interesting financial tidbits. This is a Form 8K filing, which is basically a snapshot of important events that have happened at Terra Property Trust. This particular report is filed in late March of 2025. The date of the earliest event reported is also in March. Keep that date in mind, it might be important. Terra Property Trust is the company in question here. They're based out of New York and are incorporated in Maryland. Terra Property Trust has some securities registered, specifically their 6% notes due in 2026. They have the ticker symbol TPTA. Those notes are traded on the New York Stock Exchange. Now let's get to what's important. Item 202, which is all about the company's financial health. Management held a webcast to talk about their performance for the last quarter of 2024 and the entire year. They also discussed their plans for keeping enough cash on hand, known as liquidity. Basically, they went over how the company is doing financially and what they plan to do moving forward. There is a presentation deck that goes along with the webcast, and that's included as Exhibit 99.1. Investors who are interested can find it in the filing. The company made available different ways to listen to the call. It was available via a webcast, but also via telephone call if you want to dial in with a special PIN code. We also have the Exhibit 99.1, which is a presentation the company made. Let's see if we can get some key numbers out of this. The document was signed by Gregory Pincus, the Chief Financial Officer, on March 27, 2025. Now let's step back and take a look at the bigger picture. Terra Property Trust seems to be focusing on communicating their financial situation and future plans clearly with investors. The fact that they are addressing liquidity concerns suggests that they might be facing some financial pressures, or maybe they just want to be extra cautious given the general economic uncertainty. One thing to keep an eye on is how well they execute their liquidity plans. Do they have solid strategies for managing their cash? Are they able to generate enough income to cover their expenses and debt obligations? The success of these plans will likely determine the company's performance in the coming years. Another key aspect is those 6% notes due in 26. How will the company manage that debt? Will they be able to pay it back when it's due, or will they need to refinance? Overall, Terra Property Trust's latest filing gives us a glimpse into their financial health and strategic direction. While there are some potential challenges, the company seems to be actively addressing them. Thanks for watching. If you found this Corporate Decoder breakdown helpful, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe for more financial deep dives.